my gut. My gut health has just not been good the past couple years, honestly. Like, it's been a really long time since I've been able to eat something and not have a stomach ache after. I've been having really bad acid reflux today. What's new? I've never been a really big tea person, but I know that it's really good for you. So I'm gonna try a peppermint tea because I love peppermint. So maybe I'll like this. I'm gonna make some right now because my chest is burning really bad. So hopefully this helps. I'm gonna start vlogging, but make it chill. I feel like my older vlogs were just me trying to be somebody that I'm not. Like me trying to be funny and like outgoing. I mean, I'm really funny and outgoing, but I'm very also not that sometimes. And I feel like I was kind of forcing myself to be when I wasn't in the mood to be. So I'm gonna just take it, slow it down a little bit, go a little more my speed with these chill vibes. Yeah. So we went to the beach today. We ate lunch on the beach and we were there for maybe an hour and a half. I don't know. We came home and I showered and I'm just kind of chilling right now. I really need to go through my clothes. I've been getting rid of clothes and posting them on my Depop, so you guys should definitely check that out. I'm posting a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff on my Depop, so I will leave a link down below if you guys care. But yeah, I just have way too many clothes that I need to get rid of, so I need to do that, go through some more clothes and clean my closet because it's always a mess. I have the hiccups. And why won't they go away?
Well, I look cool. I look tan.
You're wearing my hat and my shirt.
You gave me this hat. And
I did not give you this hat. This is my
I did not give you this hat.
Going on a walk. I have the hiccups. And they won't go away. And there's all of our boxes because apparently we're moving. So we're gonna go walk to get coffee and do our journaling. Jeez. We walked to get coffee as you saw, and then I went to the mall to go to Sephora because I don't have a good like shampoo and conditioner. I never like get any kind of expensive shampoo and conditioner, and my hair just really needs something good and moisturizing. I got the Olaplex. I don't know why I'm whispering. But yeah, I've never tried these before, and I know that they're like really popular. So I'm gonna try these tonight, and I also got the bonding oil. I think this is the one that I've heard like is really good. I don't know. I honestly don't know really anything about it, but my hair is really, okay, this is honestly like the longest it's ever been because I either always cut it really short, like to there, like this time last year my hair was to my shoulders. I've been bleaching my hair since like honestly like 5th grade. This is my natural color. It's pretty dark, and so I've been bleaching it literally for so long, so it's very, very damaged. It's really dry. I'm gonna stop dyeing it for a while. I'm just gonna kind of let it grow and see what happens. I've never liked my natural hair color. I think it's very just boring and like mousy. It literally is like the color of a mouse. So I don't know how that will go, but I'd rather have an ugly hair color and my hair grow than to keep having blonde hair and it die. Yep, welcome to my hair journey with me. Let's see how it goes. I have a Zoom call literally right now. I'm gonna hop on my Zoom call and work on some music, and